Hi everyone. Today I am gonna explain RISC-V, a new technology to non-technical audience, in just 1 minute. By the way, let's go. So, let's get started. Imagine you have a recipe for making a sandwich. There are 2 ways to do this. First, in traditional cooking, you might follow a specific set of instructions step by step, like spreading peanut butter evenly or slicing tomatoes precisely. Secondly, instead of having a long list of complicated steps for each task, there is a recipe that is easier to follow and adapt in the kitchen, such as splitting any type of butter or slicing any kind of vegetables. Now, think of a computer processor as the chef following those instructions to make calculations and perform tasks. RISC-V simplifies things by providing a smaller set of basic instructions. These instructions are like the fundamental building blocks of computing tasks, such as adding numbers together, moving data around, or making decisions. It's like having a more flexible chef in the kitchen. In summary, RISC-V is a new approach to designing computer processors that simplifies the instructions they follow, making them more adaptable, efficient, and customizable for a wide range of tasks. Voila! And that's 1 minute explain RISC-V to non-technical person.